When you're asked to find the break-even point, you have to consider two different situations. The first you have to consider is the cost, or the cost of producing an item, which usually involves two parts. It usually is the cost of an item times the number of items plus some initial cost. The other equation you have to consider is the revenue. And the revenue is how much you make when you sell an item. So that would be the price of the item times the number of items. Now, the break-even point is the point where the cost equals the revenue. Or, another way to think of it is when the profit is exactly zero, or when the profit equals the revenue minus the cost. When those two are equal, revenue minus cost is zero. Okay, so we're in 562, number 63, and the question says to find the break-even point. And again, the break-even point is when the cost and the revenue are equal. And they give us two equations. They give us a cost equation, which is 8,650 times the number of units plus 250,000. That's the cost to make a certain item, the startup cost, but plus the cost per item. The revenue is how much I make when I sell a certain number of items. So, remember what we said? Break-even point is when C equals R. So, since the break-even point is C equals R, you set those two things equal, solve for X. That's easy. Check my arithmetic. Divide by 13,000. Use a trusty old calculator, of course, and X is approximately 192 units. What does that mean? What does a break-even point mean? I have to sell 192 units to break even. When I start selling more than 192, 193 and on, I'm making a profit. If I don't sell 192 units, I haven't made a profit yet. So, there you go, break-even point. Good luck with the homework.